Hello, we are the Group 4.
I am Maskariño. I am Mendoza.
I am Oliver Consignado.
And I am Olila.
And we are the
Idealistic Cuties.
So today we're going to conduct an experiment and able to explain the importance and steps in scientific methods.
Bawat bata may tanong,
Ba't ganito? Ba't ganon?
hayaang buksan ang isipan.
Sa science o agham, tayo na sa sineskwela. Tuklasin natin ang siyensya.
Buksan ang pag-iisip,
Tayo'y likas na scientist.
Ito po yung question. Number 1 po is which of the three, the oil, colored water, and syrup has the highest density? Then take note that the three has the same formula.
For me, I would say syrup. Reason? Reason is because we all know that syrup has a higher density than other liquids such as oil and water.
And the second one po is, what do you think is the use of knowing the density of a liquid substance in our daily basis?
For that, I would say na for safety purposes kasi when we say mas higher than yung ino-consume natin na liquid and hindi tayo aware, it could cause choking or some hazardous other things na may possible ma-risk yung health ng isang tao. And an additional lang is because syrup has more glucose content. Ano sa
Thank you po. Okay po. Excuse me po. Hello, good afternoon. Pwede ka ba ito? So ayun, about ano lang naman sa liquid density experiment. So tingin mo, ano sa tatlo yung mas highest density? Which of the three, oil, colored water, syrup, has highest density? Take note that the three has the same amount.
Mas high yung density na zero. Kasi di ba para ma-determine natin yung density ng liquid, kailangan malaman natin yung mass and volume. Kasi mas mataas yung, mas compact siya, and mas large yung concentration niya. So mas high yung volume and mass niya, leading to air.
So another question. What do you think is the use of knowing the density of a liquid substance in our daily basis?
Siyempre, important siya. As a bio student, nag-aaral tayo ng mga environmental studies. So, napag-aaralan natin yung mga liquids of bodies of water, rivers. So, important din para malaman natin sa mga concentration. And then, isa pa, health air. Yung mga body fluids natin. Diba, kailangan natin malaman yung density natin para sa mga yung analysis, mga ganun.
What is a scientific method? Scientific method is the principles and procedures for the systematic pursuit of knowledge involving the recognition and formulation of the problem, the collection of data through observation and experiment, the formulation of testing hypotheses, or William-Webster 2020. In short, it is a process of collecting information and testing hypotheses to create conclusion based on the outcome result.
Importance of scientific method. The scientific method is used unconsciously by many people on a daily basis for tasks such as cooking and budgeting. The same elements present in traditional scientific inquiry are present in these everyday examples. Understanding how to apply the scientific method to these seemingly non-scientific problems can be valuable in furthering one's career and in making health-related decisions. In the simplest terms, common uses of scientific method involve trial and error. However, depending on one's expertise, with a few trials and errors may be required before achieving anything remotely resembling success.
First, make an observation. Gather and assimilate information about an event, phenomenon, process, or an exception to a previous observation. Second, define the problem. Ask a question about the observation that are relevant, testable. Define the null hypothesis to provide unbiased result. Third, form the hypothesis. Create an explanation or educated guess for the observation that is testable and falsifiable. Fourth, conduct the experiment. Devise and perform an experiment to test the hypothesis. And last, draw the conclusion. Create a statement based on the outcome of the experiment that explains the observation and predicts the likelihood of future observation.
Relation of the experiment to the scientific method. First, make an observation. Density is one of the fundamental scientific principles of life. It can describe any everyday object. Despite of its significance, students often struggle to understand what it really is. Then, density is a measurement of how much space or volume is packed in an object or substance. Density is the basis for gold mining, blood separation, strawberry DNA extraction, and even layered towers of different liquid substances. So second, define the problem. So the problem is which of the three, the oil, colored water, and syrup, has the highest density. So according to FSU, Chemistry and Biochemistry 2016, it will test if there is a significant difference among liquid substances of the same amount in terms of density. So density is an important concept because it allows us to determine what substances will float and what substances will sink when placed in a liquid.
3. Form the hypothesis. There is a significant differences among liquid substances of the same amount in terms of density.
Step number 4. Conduct the experiment. In a glass, we put different types of liquids. First, we put water with food coloring, then the syrup, and lastly, the oil. The experiment remains for 15 minutes.
Draw the conclusion. These liquids out into different layers based on their density. The bottom liquid layer part indicates highest density, which is the syrup. Next is the colored water, which is in the middle layer part. And the less denser or lowest density is oil, which is the above liquid layer part. Therefore, the answer for the question is syrup. We conclude that there is a significant difference among liquid substances of the same amount in terms of density.
That's all for today. I hope you